What's up guys, Salty Fresh Fishing here, back with another video, and today we are fishing at a small pond in St. Simons Island. And yeah, we're just at a little condo right now, staying here for like a weekend, and yeah, it'll be pretty fun. So we'll see how it goes. I mean, there's some pretty good bass in there, and yeah, we'll see you guys at the pond. I'll be there with my cousins, so yeah, we'll see you there. We're at the pond. Nope, you gotta flip it like this on this side of the rod.
So you go. So you pull it up like that.
Flip it.
Right over top of you.
Alright guys, we're fishing the pond with the little minnow. And these bass in here love these things. I've fished here many times.
You just flip the thing this
Flip the thing and just reel it in, or make some action on it.
Wait, do you ever bring it back? Or
Of course you bring it back. That's a good cast. Just reel it straight in. Put an easy lure on there for you. No. We got here like 2 minutes ago. Oh, and we're on already, guys. Oh man, this guy's fighting. Oh, it's a big one.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh yeah.
This is a really good one, guys.
Yo, I just got one.
This is a solid one, guys. Catch some giants out here, boys.
How much does it weigh? About 2 or 3?
Probably say about 2-pounder, solid.
You need to stay with Craig, because if he catches something like that, he might get drugged.
Oh, it drags. This guy pulls
Oh,
drag.
Craig's got something. Craig's got something for. Oh no.
No, he doesn't.
Good job.
All right,
Craig.
big girl. See you later.
Nice. Oh, good catch.
This video will probably be out in like 2 weeks when I'm filming it, because you know, yeah, I'm going to Disney for a week. I found your vibe. Amaron. There we go. Another giant. Another solid 2-pounder. You guys. We're catching them out here. Go to minnow. Yeah. Popped off.
What's that? Oh, did you break your thing?
No, I had him on. He bit too close on the bank. I couldn't get it.
You will be so angry within 5 minutes, because the flip doesn't. There's only one way to really cast it, which is like a light underhand cast, or else it'll flip back on you. That's far enough away. That's far enough away. You're not gonna hit it.
You flip it for me, man. Wait.
Flip it forward now.
That thing is tinier than I thought it was. Wait, can I see that?
Good job, Rebecca.
It's actually a lot easier to use than I thought it was.
Yeah, once you get.
Oh man. looks on the water.
Once you get fish, first get. Oh!
Yeah, this costs $12 for this one lure.
For that one?
Yeah. I mean, they're not gonna be eating topwater this late in the day, but it's worth a shot.
Hey, that was my spot. What
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
are you doing out there, buddy?
I'm sorry.
Hey, you want to fight over that spot?
I'm sorry, Pop Pop.
Don't cast over my
Okay, I just one out there. Get one? What's that right there?
We're gonna go ride. Oh, okay. You want me to go? You want to stay?
Yeah, well, look at that.
Whoa, whoa, look at this, guys. Whoa. Don't lose him, don't lose him.
Let's go, baby!
Just switch baits. Come here.
Let's go, baby! Get off of me, kids! 3-pounder at least.
Smile, babe.
Yes, smile, bro. Kids, doesn't
On the
want
bait
live
caster,
ones
too.
to live in Florida and
Look at that chunk.
Chuck him!
No.
Don't chuck him.
Wait.
Bye!
Oh, I forgot the weigher. That's an.
Now I cast right there.
That was a 3. That was a. Hold on. Don't reel it. Don't reel it. I got it. Oh, we didn't. Yeah, we didn't cross. You're good. You're good. I stopped it in time.
Like, I can't tell.
I got one on right now.
Stop! Oh my gosh, you're so good. That literally makes me so mad.
Come here, Phoebe. Come here. Come here.
I'm not taking credit.
Come here. Come here. Listen in. Be careful. It's gonna pull hard.
I'm trying, dude.
It's a little one.
Oh my gosh. Ow.
Throw it in.
Ow!
Good job.
It was on me. What can I say?
Barely a pound. Well done. Good job.
I'm not taking credit. Come here.